Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Rosy Craft Tube. Click on the subscribe button to watch more such videos. It's free and would mean a lot to me. Also press on the bell icon to stay notified when I upload a new video. I upload new videos on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. To make this amazing pencil accordion card, first we will need a cardstock of size 20 cm into 30 cm. Then mark cut 6 cm, 12 cm, 18 cm and 24 cm on both sides. Now join the lines as shown here. Again mark 1 cm from the bottom and join them. Now mark 5 cm from the top and join them also. Then mark the middle points and join carefully as shown here. Now mark at 2 cm for the lead of the pencil. Then your pencil shape is ready. It should look like this once it's done. Now score the lines with the help of compass or something like that. Then fold it and the base is ready. Now it's time for decorations. Take any color paper of size 5 cm into 13 cm and paste them on the base. Now follow the steps to paste this color paper for the other parts of the pencil. Repeat the same process with all. Trim the lower parts and highlight the lines like this. Write your thoughts for your teacher. Now it's ready to give to teacher. Add any ribbon for finishing touch. Hope you like it and will make it. If you do, then don't forget to send me the picture of your crafts in my DMs of Instagram. Take a cardstock of size 18 cm into 28 cm, fold in half. Then take some colorful paper strips of size 2 cm into 12 cm and paste like this. Then take a white paper stroke of size 3 cm into 18 cm, draw lines like ruler. Also draw a pencil like this. paste them as shown here. Here I am adding this handwritten sentiment. Now take some little paper strips and make symbols like this. Now it's ready to give to a teacher. Hope you like it and will make it. If you do, then don't forget to send me the picture of your crafts in my DMs of Instagram. Take a cardstock of size 16 cm into 20 cm. Mark at 8 cm on both sides. Then join them. Again mark at 4 cm on both sides and join them. Find the middle point and draw a pencil shape. Then take pattern paper of size 8 cm into 10 cm. Cut like this. Now take 2 color paper of size 4 cm into 8 cm. Add some sentiments to it. Now it's ready to give to your teacher. Hope you like it and will make it. If you do, then don't forget to send me the picture of your crafts in my DMs of Instagram. Thank you guys. Click on the like button if you really enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any suggestions or requests, please let me know on the comment section below. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can order our crafts, and for contact details, please do check the description box below. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.